Setting a trailing stop loss on Moomoo is a great way to limit your potential losses and protect your profits. To get started, first log into your Moomoo account and navigate to the trading page of the stock you want to set a trailing stop loss for. Next, click on the Trade button and select the Stop Loss option from the drop-down menu. From here, you will see the option to set a trailing stop loss. A trailing stop loss is a type of stop loss that automatically adjusts to the stock's highest price as it moves in your favor. To set a trailing stop loss on Moomoo, you will need to specify the percentage or dollar amount you want the stop loss to trail the stock price by. For example, if you set a trailing stop loss of 10%, the stop loss will be 10% below the stock's highest price since you set the trailing stop loss. Once you have set your trailing stop loss, Moomoo will automatically adjust the stop loss as the stock price moves in your favor. If the stock price drops to the level of the trailing stop loss, the stop loss will be triggered and your position will be sold. It is essential to note that a trailing stop loss can be an effective way to manage risk, but it is not a guarantee against losses. It is crucial to set a trailing stop loss that is reasonable and takes into account the volatility of the stock. Best practices for setting a trailing stop loss on Moomoo include starting with a conservative trailing percentage and adjusting as needed. Monitoring your trailing stop loss regularly to ensure it is working as intended. And combining a trailing stop loss with other risk management strategies. In conclusion, setting a trailing stop loss on Moomoo is a straightforward process that can help you limit your potential losses and protect your profits. By following these steps and using a trailing stop loss as part of your overall risk management strategy, you can help protect your investments and achieve your financial goals.